I'm Tina and today I'll be reviewing new meals, which are pre-prepared meals from Nutrition Station. I chose these because I've actually been to Nutrition Station before and I really love their food. It tastes really nice and it's pretty healthy, it has pretty good macros, and it fits in really well with what I'm doing right now, which is trying to prepare for comp and build some muscle and some strength. So I decided I'd give the pre-prepared meals a shot and see if they make my life a little bit easier and a little bit tastier. So I'm actually really surprised that it came as an Uber Eats order because that means it doesn't have much insulation and I don't think there's anything in here to keep the food cold, which I guess is good if you're at home and it's less packaging, which I like, but it's pretty inconvenient because you kind of have to be home, whereas with other meal prep companies normally they put in like an ice pack or something so it stays cool. This is not the case, but let's open up and see what it's like. I ordered 5 different meals, so let's check it out. Okay, let's have a look. First meal is Lean Chicken Light. Ooh, that's pretty good. Let's have a look at that. Oh, this looks good. Green barramundi curry. I love curry flavored things. And I don't know how I feel about microwave rice. I was really hesitant to order it, but I couldn't not get barramundi curry. Like, that sounded amazing. So I'll give it a shot, and hopefully it tastes nice. This is the Lean Chicken Light, and I've added some little almonds on top. So I am a fan of that. I like the little crunch of almonds. And the final meal is crispy chicken mash. Ooh. It's like little breaded chicken. I had to get sweet potato mash because that's my favorite thing. I can't count. There's one more meal. There was only 4 meals. Okay, the last meal was classic meatballs light. I feel like I haven't had meatballs in a while. I ordered the sweet potato as well for this one because I love sweet potato. So if I don't like the meatballs, I'll like the sweet potatoes. I just want to give a really big shout out to their customer service team because I actually changed my order last minute to come one day earlier and I messaged them on the day. They got back to me within an hour or 2. They were super friendly and accommodating and then my order came. So they're really great, and I really love that their service and they really do seem to care about their people. So it tells us the ingredients, which is the first one is barramundi and then the second one is basmati rice, which is actually a low GI white rice. It's a really great alternative if you don't like brown rice. And then green beans, water, and then a few more ingredients. And then I love that they have instructions because I need to know how long to put things in the microwave for, and not every company does this, so I really appreciate that. Also love that they have the allergens and that they have different macros. So this one has 24 grams of protein, which is pretty good. I would prefer to aim for about 25 to 35 grams of protein personally because my diet's quite high in protein. My diet is also pretty low in fat, so I appreciate the 4 grams of fat and 26 grams of carbs. I love a little bit of carbs and only 3 grams of sugar. What's really surprising is only 181 milligrams of sodium, which is really good because many prepackaged meals are really high in salt and this one doesn't seem to be. So I'm pretty excited by that. Okay, I've been talking up this barramundi curry, so I have to try it first. So I've just peeled the meal open, and as you can see, that's a pretty big chunk of fish in there, so that's pretty good. I'm pretty excited for that. There's a little bit of basmati rice in there and green beans. And a little wedge of lemon as well. Ooh, steaming hot. Smells very spicy. I hope it isn't, because I can't handle spice. But let's try. Okay, let me squeeze some lemon into this first. Okay. Let's see. Start with the fish. And let's get a little bit of rice in there. So it tastes pretty good. The fish is really soft and delicate, which I wasn't expecting. I like the curry sauce and it's much spicier than expected. And the rice just tastes pretty normal. I'm pretty surprised it doesn't taste like microwave rice. So that's pretty good. I would definitely get this meal again. Next, I'll be trying the Lean Chicken Light, which is mainly chicken, broccoli, green beans, and almonds. So let's pop it into the microwave and see how it tastes. So the macros for this is pretty good. It has 34 grams of protein, which
is pretty decent. It's how much I aim for in a meal generally. 16 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, 4 grams of sugar, and 573 milligrams of sodium. The only thing I'm a bit worried about is that sodium's pretty high. It's not as bad as some supermarket meals out there that got to 1,000 milligrams, but still 573 is pretty high for a fresh meal.
Final thoughts on new meals is that they seem like pretty healthy meals. They've got good portion sizes. Next time I would probably go a size up because I just got the standard size, but I would probably go for the large just because I wanted some bigger portion sizes. I had some favorite meals. For example, I really like the fish curry and the beef meatballs. Those were really good, but I wasn't a big fan of the chicken meals. The chicken felt pretty dry and not very fresh. Some of their green vegetables weren't super fresh either, so their green beans and the broccoli, I wasn't really a big fan of them. Their meals weren't bland, but I don't think they used the freshest ingredients. So overall, I would probably not buy from them again, but if I was popping by the store, I might grab a meal if I was in a rush.